Hi everyone. So I just want to say that last week I did do my memory planning on the wrong week. So this would have been the week that I'm using this week for last week. So I am going to just go back and use the week I should have used last week. And yes, I hope that makes sense. But how are you all? I'm going to be using the Pumpkin Patch sticker kit by Sweet Kawaii Design, and I really like this kit, and I do have to grab my tweezers and Sharpie, so let me go do that. Okay, so let's just get started. I'm gonna just start with the date covers. So this will be the 11th through the 17th. So I'm gonna just do it on the paper. But let's see. I'm gonna zoom you in. I was gonna film earlier today, but my head, as usual, was just not doing well. Hurt really bad, so I am filming at night, and I have my coffee, so hopefully it'll keep me awake. Yet it's really not late at all. It is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock here. We just got back from picking up some library books. We went to the library, and oh gosh, I cannot get that. There we go. So I was really happy. Right now I'm reading the X Hex. This might just be a thing where I am telling you what I'm reading. I'm reading the X Hex. It is on audio, just because a lot of times I would rather read with, just like a physical book, but I do like to have an audiobook and it's off screen. There we go. I do like to have audiobooks just to listen to when I'm cleaning or working or, that kind of thing. Just so I feel like I'm doing two things at once, which I guess I am. But what I was trying to say is just with my audiobooks, I tend to choose audiobooks that I don't really need the physical copy, or at least I don't think I'll really need the physical copy. So the X Hex is one of them. So I tend to choose more like contemporary, romance, I don't know, just things I don't feel like I need a physical copy for, or am iffy about whether I'm going to like it or not. So that is where the X Hex comes in. I think that's what it's called. So far, not really enjoying it too much. We'll see. I think it could be partially the narrator. I don't know. It's also like I tend to listen on 2 times speed up to 3, depending on who's narrating the book. But this one, I feel like the most I can listen to, or the highest speed I can listen to, is 1.3 to 1.5, and then after that, it's kind of like it's too hard to understand what's going on at a higher speed for this book, just based on who's narrating it. Okay, enough of the book. Okay, so that is that. I'm gonna put the banners at the bottom. I love this pattern of the pumpkins. This is really cute. Next, I'm just going to add the weekend banner over here. Hope that's straight. Okay. And I need a sip of my coffee. Monday, I had an appointment. It was 2:30 to, let's see, 2:30 to, I'd say 3:30-ish. So I will put that I don't know. Does this fill the whole thing? I'm not too sure. Okay. Like that. And that was my allergist. Allergist appointment. And for dinner we had moussaka. And then after that we went to the library. And also at 11 o'clock we took the dogs on a nice long walk. With the doggos. So that is that. And I want to add some reading stickers. I'll use the Coffee Monsters Co. Let's see, these are cute. So went to the library. Okay. Then Tuesday, most of it just happened at night. We had lamb at 16. We had lamb sag. I'm not too sure how to pronounce it, but it was absolutely delicious. Then we went to the gym, and then after that at 6 o'clock I filmed my memory plan with me for the week. So let's see, I wonder if I have any filming stickers. I have some Planner Kate ones from a long time ago. I'll use these. So at 18 I filmed my, what did I say, memory plan with me. So that was for the hour there. At 8 o'clock we went to Target. And also Walgreens for prescription. And then from 9:30 to 11 I edited. 9:30 to 21. So I edited the memory plan with me. Okay, so Wednesday we had a game night, which was a lot of fun. I am all over the place today. So sorry. I'm also getting very overheated in my office right now. Okay, so I'm gonna just do these. I don't know if they're, they're pretty much what my headphones look like. So that is at 6 o'clock, 18. We had, you know what? I'm gonna write first. So we had game night with Peter. And I will put this here. And then also had to go Walgreens again to pick up a new prescription. So I'll just put that. And for dinner, we had beetroot pasta. And it was so good. So good. Thursday, something I sent mom, Peter, plus my Christmas list. So she was excited to get that because she just wanted some ideas, and she's been asking for so long, but I couldn't think of anything. For dinner, we had Lou's, which is pizza, and then we went to the gym later on. I think we waited more. Gym, and then then we went to the library and Home Depot, which is like my favorite place. So I needed a new planter pot. So that was Thursday. And Friday, during the day, I ordered our groceries. And what else did I do? The groceries, part of it came at 3, so 15. So Costco arrived. And then at 5 o'clock, we went to Whole Foods and Target. Yes. And also, gym was a little bit later, I think. So let me get groceries. So I'm going to just put that here. And we went to the gym. Okay. So that was, also I filmed my B6 plan with me. So yes, that was Friday. And Saturday, I don't know why I flipped the page. Saturday at 9 o'clock, we went and visited Peter's family. And then we went to Cornerstone Books, which was a used bookstore. Cornerstone Books, which was really good. Peter found 2 books and I found 1, so that was really nice. They had a lot of nice classic books and the editions I really wanted, so that was that. And then we went to the book market, I believe, which was okay. It was mainly like romance books, so it was like aisles and aisles of romance. So it wasn't really my cup of tea. 15, we went to the gym after that. And then we also went to the library. What did we make? I'm pretty sure we made something. Oh no. Oh, we made chicken tikka, but that was on this day. So I'll just put it up here. Made chicken tikka, which I cannot spell. Okay. And then on Saturday we made, what did we make? It was a Thai curry. Yes, Thai curry, which was really good. So that was Saturday. And Sunday, we went to the gym at 15. Then went to the library. And then we saw Peter's family again. And then after that, we baked a pumpkin cake, which was on Claire's YouTube videos. And then after that, I just edited. Actually, I'm not gonna do it because I did it here. So edited the B6 plan with me. Yeah. So that was my week, and let me just decorate now. I didn't really use any of these things. I just realized I did not use any of these. Why didn't I use any of these? I have no clue. Okay, well, that was a mistake. I think it's because I get so caught up in using these for just appointments that if I don't have an appointment other than like this one, then I tend to just not use them. But I really need to think of it more like, yeah, okay. I am going to, do you think this will fit here? I'm gonna do it. Why not? I'm gonna just, oh, that's tight. I'm in a pickle now. Oh, okay. What should I do? Well, it was a highlight to bump to bake. Yeah, that's okay. Baked a pumpkin cake. And then just write it like that so it fits in. Even though I didn't use it for the other one. That's okay. Okay, so that's that. And I want to use these because they are so cute. I just love the illustrations. They're adorable. So I'm going to go in with these and I'll be right back. Yes, that is my very all over the place memory plan with me. I am so sorry that I pretty much did that like twice over those like banner box things, but nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you're not subscribed already, be sure to subscribe to stay updated with my newest videos. And yes, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love how this looks. I'm glad I went in with the boxes again and just filled it up. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.